Imagine a place where our sun is nothing more than a distant, cold star. A place of eternal cosmic night, frozen at absolute zero. This is the ragged edge of our solar system. For centuries, we believed it was a graveyard of lonely ice and empty space. We were wrong. Out there, cloaked in the dark, something massive is hiding. A ghost world that is actively reshaping the orbits of icy planets and rewriting the laws of astronomy. Scientists call it Planet 9, and right now we are closer to finding it than ever before. The invisible puppet master, the mystery. It all started with mathematical chaos. Deep in the frozen wilderness beyond Neptune, a cluster of icy rocks is drifting through space. According to the laws of physics, their paths should be completely random. But in 2016, Caltech astronomers Mike Brown and Konstantin Batygin noticed a terrifying anomaly. The orbits of the most distant objects are all clustered together, pointing in the exact same direction and tilted at the same unnatural angle. The odds of this happening by chance appeared surprisingly small, too small for many astronomers to ignore. Someone or something forced them into this alignment. The math points toward a hidden planet, or at least something massive lurking in the dark. The cosmic detective story. Why can't we see it? This raises an obvious question. If we can peer billions of light years into the deep universe and watch the birth of the very first galaxies, why on Earth can't we find a planet in our own backyard? The answer is a brutal rule of physics, the inverse square law. If it exists, Planet 9 would emit no visible light of its own and reflect only a tiny fraction of the sunlight that reaches it. By the time it returns, the light is millions of times weaker. It moves so agonizingly slow that a single orbit takes 20,000 years. For our telescopes, it's like searching for a black coin on a pitch-black football field using a laser pointer. The cosmic time capsule. Why it matters. But why hunt this ghost? Because Planet 9 could be the ultimate cosmic time capsule. Models suggest it was born much closer to the Sun, a sibling to Earth or Uranus. But billions of years ago, a violent encounter with a giant like Jupiter catapulted it into the deep freeze. If we find it, we aren't just discovering a new world. We are looking at a perfectly preserved relic holding the pristine, unaltered chemistry of our own origin story. A black hole in our backyard? Alternative theories. But what if we're looking for the wrong thing entirely? The scientific community is fractured. While some hunt for an ice giant, others are proposing theories that will give you chills. Although most researchers still consider Planet 9 the leading explanation, one of the most mind-bending yet mathematically sound hypotheses suggests that a primordial black hole is orbiting on the edge of our system. An object the size of a tennis ball, but with the mass of 5 Earths. It would be completely invisible to optical telescopes, yet it could explain the observed gravitational anomalies just as well as Planet 9. We might be looking for a planet, while standing face-to-face with a monster. The Endgame, the latest data. This cosmic game of hide-and-seek is finally nearing its endgame. Right now, the rules are changing. The Vera Rubin Observatory in Chile is coming online, armed with a revolutionary 3.2 gigapixel camera. What used to take telescopes years to scan, this facility can map in a matter of days. Recently, the team narrowed down the search zone significantly. We know its calculated path. We know where it should be hiding. The hunt has entered its final phase. Within the next few years, Rubin may finally reveal whether Planet 9 exists, or close this chapter forever. If it's found, astronomy textbooks around the world will gain an entirely new chapter. We will finally realize that our solar neighborhood is much larger, darker, and more mysterious than we ever dared to think. What do you think is waiting out there? A hidden ice giant? An ancient black hole? Or just a massive mathematical illusion? Let me know your theories in the comments below. Smash that like button if you want to be here when we finally look into the dark. See you in the void.